Today we are going to talk about the national symbols of Japan. It is an island country in East Asia. It consists of 5 main islands. The National Day of Japan is titled as National Foundation Day. It is observed on 11th of February every year, celebrating the foundation of Japan, enforced by a specific cabinet order set in 1966. National Anthem of Japan is titled as Kimigayo, translated as His Imperial Majesty's Reign. The lyrics are from a wake-up poem written by an unnamed author in the Heian period, 794-1185, and the current melody was chosen in 1880, arranged by Franz Eckert. National flag of Japan is a rectangular white banner bearing a crimson-red circle at its center. It embodies the country's byname, the land of the rising sun. National emblem of Japan is also known as the Imperial Seal of Japan. It features a yellow chrysanthemum, flowering plant, with black or red outlines of background, with its central disc surrounded by a front set of 16 petals. National language of Japan is the Japanese. It is also the official language of Japan. The capital of Japan is Tokyo, officially known as the Tokyo Metropolis. It is also the largest city of Japan. The national currency of Japan is the Japanese yen, JPY. Symbol of the yen is I equals, along with JPY equals, which is sometimes used to separate the Japanese yen from the Chinese yuan. National dress of Japan is known as kimono for both men and women. It is a front-wrapped garment with square sleeves and a rectangular body, and is worn left side wrapped over right. The kimono is traditionally made of silk and is worn with a broad sash, traditional sandals, and socks. The national colors of Japan are red and white. Lafcadio Hearn is considered to be the national poet of Japan. He was born in 1850. His most famous work is a collection of lectures entitled Japan, an attempt at interpretation. He died in 1904. National airline of Japan is Japan Airlines, abbreviated as JAL. It was established in 1951. National Museum of Japan is called by the name of Tokyo National Museum. It is the largest and the oldest museum of Japan, located in Tokyo. Its collection preserves over 120,000 art and archaeological objects from Japan and other parts of Asia. It was established in 1872 and has undergone various changes ever since. National Library of the Japan is known by the name of National Diet Library. Among the largest libraries in the world, it was established in 1948 in Tokyo, Japan. It is charged for researching matters of public policy. The Japan National Stadium is located in Tokyo, Japan. The facility served as the main stadium for the opening and closing ceremonies, as well as the venue for track and field athletic events at the 2020 Summer Olympics and 2020 Summer Paralympics. National sport of Japan is the sumo. It is a form of competitive full-contact wrestling. Sumo originated in Japan and is professionally practiced there. The Shinano River, also known as Chikuma River, is considered to be national river of Japan. Flowing across the length of 367 kilometers, it is the longest and widest river in Japan. National mountain of Japan is known by the name of Mount Fuji. Located on the island of Honshu, it is an active stratovolcano in Japan, with an elevation of 3,776.24 meters. The National Park of Japan is known by the name of Fuji Hakone Aizu National Park. It consists of several extremely popular sites of Japan, including Mount Fuji, Hakone, the Aizu Peninsula, and the Aizu Islands. The Ueno Zoo is considered as the National Zoo of Japan, located in Tokyo, Japan. It is Japan's oldest zoo, opened in 1882. It has been the flagship of the Japanese zoo world. Now it's home to about 300 different species of wildlife. The Yakushima Forest is considered to be National Forest of Japan. It is a primeval temperate rainforest extending from the center of the almost round-shaped, mountainous Yakushima Island. National tree of Japan is the Japanese cedar, known as sugi in Japanese. National flower of Japan is known as cherry blossoms, sakura. National animal of Japan is called as Japanese macaque. National bird of Japan is called green pheasant. National fruit of Japan is called as the Japanese persimmon, kaki fruit. It is an edible sweet, slightly tangy fruit with a soft to occasionally fibrous texture. National dish of Japan is curry with rice. For Japanese curry, it is common to cook the meat, potatoes, carrots, and the spring onion along with the curry to give a thick and sticky texture, The curry is boiled at high temperature and poured onto the rice. Mochi is considered to be the national sweet of Japan. It's a rice cake made by pounding glutinous rice into a paste and then molding it into the desired shape. It can be eaten on its own, though it's often made into other confections as well, like mochi ice cream. National drink of Japan is sake, also referred to as Japanese rice wine. It is an alcoholic beverage of Japanese origin, made by fermenting rice that has been polished to remove the bran. There are 16 national holidays in Japan, observed each year. Japan gross national income is 5.601 trillion PPP dollars. Thanks for watching.